Hi, welcome to Skanda Happy Learning. So far, we have discussed the cell membrane, cytoplasm, cell wall, and a nucleus. Now, let us discuss the cell organelles. What are cell organelles? Where these are located? If we observe the cell under the electron microscope, we can find out the small granule-like structures in the cytoplasm. These small granule-like structures are called cell organelles. Each cell organelle, it is surrounded by a membrane and carry different kinds of functions. Now let us see. Let's see the cell organelles. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. The next, Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. The next, lysosomes. The next, mitochondria. The next, ribosomes. The next, plastids. The next, vacuole. So these are the different cell organelles which are present in the cell. Now let us discuss them in detail one by one. Okay, first one, endoplasmic reticulum. Let's see endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a membranous tube-like structure which is spread throughout the cytoplasm, that is called endoplasmic reticulum. It is spread enter the cytoplasm and act as a skeleton. It is act as a skeleton and maintain the shape of the cell. The shape of the cell, it is depend on the endoplasmic reticulum which is present inside the cell. It's spread throughout the cell. Then it is helpful to transport the materials from one part of the cell to another part. If you observe the endoplasmic reticulum, this structure is the endoplasmic reticulum. We see on endoplasmic reticulum, we find out the granule-like structures. These granule-like structures are called ribosomes. Ribosomes, which are involved in the process of preparation of proteins, means protein synthesis that is done by ribosomes. Such ribosomes are called RER. RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, it has the ribosome that is called RER. Then next, so the endoplasmic reticulum, it do not have the ribosome that is called SER. SER. SER stands for smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes which are present on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, that is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum which do not have ribosomes are called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is helpful in the preparation of protein synthesis. Then smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is helpful in lipid synthesis. So whatever the materials are prepared by rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, these materials are transported to different parts of the cell. So SER, it play a very important role in vertebrates. Vertebrates. In vertebrates, the SER play important role. Detoxify the wastages in the liver. Detoxify the substances like drugs, pesticides. So many of the toxic materials are detoxify in the liver with the help of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The main function of the endoplasmic reticulum is transport the material from one part of the cell to another part. That is the function. Now let's see lysosomes. What are lysosomes? What is the function of lysosome? If you observe the cell, this is cytoplasm and this is a nucleus. It has some destructive enzymes. It has some enzymes. The enzymes are nothing but destructive enzyme. It has the capability to kill the entire the cell, but it's not happening. Why? It is not direct contact with any cell organelle. It's not direct contact with mitochondria. It is not direct contact with endoplasmic reticulum. It is not direct contact to vacuole. It's not contact to any part of the cell. But the parts which are need to be destroyed, then the materials are sent to the lysosome. Then the materials gets digested with the help of the digestive enzymes. Then it gets bursted and release the digestive enzymes. With the help of these enzymes, it can digest the cell. So that is the reason the lysosomes are called suicidal bags of the cell. Suicidal bags of the cell. Which cell organelle is known as suicidal bags of the cell? Lysosome. Then next, it is also known as scavenger of the cell. Scavenger of the cell. Now let's see another cell organelle, mitochondria. So mitochondria is the small cell organelle. The mitochondria clearly by doing one activity. So collect the onion peel, just keep it in the watch glass having Jonas green bee solution. Leave it for half an hour. After that, so collect the onion peel, place it on a slide, wash it thoroughly, observe it under the microscope. We can find out green color, oval or cylindrical dot-like structure which are spread in the cytoplasm. We call it as mitochondrions. These mitochondrions are oval shape, the next to cylindrical shape, sometimes spherical shape. So the length of the mitochondria is 2 to 8 microns long. 2 to 8 microns long. The width is 0.5 microns wide. Then next to 150 times smaller than the nucleus. 150 times smaller than the nucleus. It is very small than the nucleus. Nearly 100 to 150 mitochondrions are present in the each cell. 100 to 150 mitochondrions are present in the each cell. So this is the diagram of the mitochondria. The mitochondria is made up of the two membranes. One is the outer membrane. This is the outer membrane. Then second one is, this is the inner membrane. This inner membrane, it has folded inside. If you observe the inner membrane, it has folds inside. These folds are called cristae. So the folds of the inner membrane, we call it as cristae. The space between the cristae, that is called matrix. But what is the function of the mitochondria? You know, the food gives us energy. But food not gives us directly energy. Unless and until is reaction with oxygen, it not gives us energy. But where is the process takes place? The process of the burning food materials, that is takes place in the mitochondria. The process of releasing energy with the help of food, the process takes place in the mitochondria. So whatever the food which is produced, whatever the energy is produced from the food, that is stored in the form of ATP. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. The energy stored in the form of ATP. So that is the reason the mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. Okay? Yes. The next cell organelle, ribosomes. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are the smallest cell organelle among all the cell organelles. So these ribosomes are smallest cell organelles. So nearly the two types of ribosomes are present in the cell. One is attached ribosomes. Then second one is scattered ribosomes. Attached ribosomes means these are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Then scattered ribosomes are scattered in the cytoplasm. But the ultimate function is, the function of the ribosomes is preparation of proteins. Preparation of the proteins. Whatever the proteins are prepared by the ribosome are distributed to different parts of the cell. So ribosomes are known as protein factory of the cell. Protein factory of the cell. Which cell organelle is known as protein factory of the cell? That is nothing but ribosome. So please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.